Hi there, my name is Arshad and welcome to my channel Reverse Age Academy. Today we are talking about reframing stress using a CBT approach. Stress is inevitable, but what if we could change how we think about it? Reframing stress means viewing stressful situations from a different perspective. Instead of seeing stress as something negative, we can learn to see it as a challenge that helps us grow. Cognitive behavioral therapy teaches us how to make this mental shift. One way to reframe stress is through thought questioning. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? What's the worst that could happen? How can I handle this differently? By challenging negative assumptions, you can turn stress into a manageable problem. Reframing stress with CBT can help you approach life's challenges with a positive mindset, building emotional resilience over time. Subscribe for more tips on changing your mindset and mastering stress with CBT. And don't forget to check out the link below for a free masterclass on reverse aging where you can learn even more techniques to look and feel younger. Stay tuned for our next video.